On the 25th of July 2024, Blink released Black Ink 2023.6, their newest update to their drawing software, which alongside bug fixes brought some exciting changes and new features to the scene. In this video, we will shed light on this update, so stick around if you want to find out more about Black Ink 2023.6. Black Ink is a digital drawing software that was originally launched a decade ago, yet it had major updates last year that started on the 2023 line of releases. The app delivers a professional work environment similar to that of Photoshop in terms of UI and tools to make high-quality pieces of art, and more notably a unique workflow experience thanks to the layer and brush management systems, which might differ from your typical drawing software. You see, for layers, Black Ink uses a layout similar to that of geometry or shade nodes in Blender. The stacks represent what you would usually think of as a group that will contain your layers, or reference other separate stacks linked to it that need to be processed. The processing in question now is done through the use of operators, which in simple terms work as functions that do specific actions to the stack or layers that is being fed and produce a certain output based on that. A simple example of that is the output operator that will generate your final illustration depending on what you will give it as an input, as it'll only show the stacks or layers that are linked to it. As for brushes, they can be previewed and managed through a special brush manager tab, or be fully customized using a brush shader language, or BSL for short, which might be intimidating since it requires having some coding knowledge already. The language can be used through the integrated BSL code editor in the app, where a documentation is included to get familiar with the syntax and keywords. Such feature offers a great deal of customization and lets you achieve the exact right feel you need from your brushes. The 2023.6 update came with features to complement the 2023.5 update that was released back in May of 2024, which brought a symmetry operator, a domain warp operator for cycling texture, improvements to the tilting operator for better handling pattern repetitions, and the ability to maintain the eraser tool setting across the work session. Black Ink 2023.6 introduced a new radial symmetry operator for creating more intricate patterns, where the number of segments, axis position, and the mandala effect are all adjustable. The update also introduced new color swatch management commands in the global colors preset menu to save your color swatches as a BKP call file, load them for later use, or clear them away altogether, as well as some enhancements to some tools like the magic wand and paint bucket to perform better when selecting areas, or like toggling the brush smoothness option using the Z key from your keyboard. What do you guys think about this update? Have you tried Black Ink yet? And what are y'all excited to see coming in future updates? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to leave us a like and a subscribe on your way there. That was it for today's news, so see you next time.